welcome to my channel Pawta Jamaican. I am Tanya, and for today I want to talk to you about 7 sayings that a Jamaican man will say when he thinks that his woman is giving him a warm time or trouble. Now 4 sayings, 4 of those sayings will be done in this video, which is part 1, and in part 2 you can watch the other 3. All right. Also, we have our word of the day, and the word of the day is KIBBA. The Jamaican Patois word of the day is KIBBA. Now, I want you to think about that word KIBBA. What do you think that the word KIBBA means? And at the end of this segment, at the end of this presentation, you will have an idea of what the word. I will tell you the meaning of the word KIBBA. So, what will a Jamaican man say when his woman is giving him a warm time? The first that I have on the list is, you dey keep ned-da man with me. You dey keep ned-da man. You dey keep ned-da man with me. You are keeping another man with me. You are keeping another man with me. All right, so sometimes when a woman is going through her phases and a man definitely can't seem to understand what is happening, right? The man will ask the woman this question, and also if he has suspicions based on phone calls, based on text messages, based on any other different move that the female may be making and acting in a different way, this will raise some suspicion for him. So even if his friends or anybody says anything to him, just to say, that Mary and John talk or whatever, no, in a tone, a serious tone, the man will say, you dey keep ned-da man with me. You dey keep ned-da man with me, right? And this normally leads to other problems, but it will depend on you on how to solve this situation. All right, so you dey keep ned-da man with me. Now, the second saying that I want to talk about is, everything me buy your nyam out. Everything me buy your nyam out. Everything I have bought, you have eaten out. Right? Now, sometimes a man will get stressed out or confused, especially if he's not working and money not flowing in the way that it should into the house. But you also have some men, some Jamaican men that are playing mean. So whenever they buy something and have it into the house, they expect that it should last forever. It shouldn't finish. It should just continue to remain into the house. So you, the female, that man expect you for dead for hungry. Expect you for dead for hungry. And when you are there and you don't have anything to eat, and that is the only option, just to eat what is provided, this is when he will say, everything me buy your nyam out, right? So there are some mean men out there, ladies, but sometimes you just have to know how to deal with this situation when a man will say this to you, that everything him buy your nyam out, right? Okay, number 3, the third saying that a man will say is, me labor for you and you're so ungrateful. Me labor for you and you're so ungrateful. I labored for you, yet you are so ungrateful. I labored for you, yet you are so ungrateful, right? A Jamaican man, he will farm his land. He will travel overseas on farm work. He would start a business, operate in his business, and do everything for the female. But yet still, the female does not appreciate everything that the man has been given to her. So this normally causes problems, and the female normally acts into a way that that is questionable. She normally acts in a way that is questionable. So the man now normally feel away and then just say, me labor for you, yet you are so ungrateful. And sometimes females don't appreciate what a man has done for. So sometimes females really don't know what they have into their hands. They don't appreciate what a man is doing for them. So when the man find out now what is happening, the man will normally say, me labor for you, yet you're so ungrateful. But to tell you the truth, in cases like these, me feel very sorry for the man. I feel very sorry for the man in cases like. Now, the fourth thing that a Jamaican man will do is that a Jamaican man will say is that, come out of my house. Come out of my house, or get out of my house. A man will run you out of them house, especially when they think that you're not doing what it is that you're expected to do, or every day you just get up and arguments with them, or it just reach to a point where them just cannot bother. So all they have to do is say, come out of my house. That is all that they have to do, all that they have to say. Come out of my house, or get out of my house. Right? Now, ladies, there are many cases where the man run you out of them house and you make no effort to get out and sit there in the situation. But you see, if it's me, especially if you are not married, I am going to go. Right? So whenever I'm say come out of my house, I am going to make up my mind, make the decision and come out. But they normally run you out of the house, especially if it's their house and you don't have any ties with the house. And then now, during the conflict and the confrontation and everything that is happening, you know, they try their best to get rid of you. So if they want you to leave, in most cases, just come out of the man's house. So I'm going to say all four of them together, just to see how they would connect, right? So you they keep ned-da man with me. Everything me buy, you nyam out. Me labor for you and you're so ungrateful. Come out of my house. Let me go again. You want me to go again? You they keep ned-da man with me. Everything me buy, you nyam out. Me labor for you and you're so ungrateful. Come out of my house. Alright? Now, I want you to watch the next 3 sayings in part 2. And I do hope that part 1 was very interesting, or very very useful, or you can just think about it and share other ways what you think a man would say when he thinks that his woman is giving him a warm time, or giving him some, not going the way how things not going the way how they should, right? Now, the Patois word of the day is KIBBA. The Patois word of the day is KIBBA, and it means shut. It means shut. So, if somebody says to you, KIBBA your mouth, it means that you should shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. And I think it would be smart, a very smart move, if we heed to this warning. Alright, remember that you can always send me an email, tanya@jamaican@gmail.com. And if this is your first time watching, please subscribe and leave your comments below. Yeah man, thanks for watching. Little more.